Maddie, don't knock my screws down, please.
Hello guys, good morning. It's 11 a.m. in the morning and we are just doing some changes in our fence. So the cockatoos will actually, hopefully the cockatoos will go in there. And we're planning to put also one there in that tree. And one more thing, I just bought a new sunflower seeds. That's what they like. So hopefully, yeah, they're there. One of the cockatoos there in the tree. So hopefully this afternoon we're gonna have some good footage of them eating on our actual house, because before my neighbors got all the attention from the cockatoos. We'll try this time if they will come to our fence there. See? There. And hopefully they will come here later this afternoon. Okay, come here. One cockatoo there watching us. Hopefully the cockatoo knows that we are very in. Hopefully he's watching us. Hopefully the cockatoo is watching us. Yeah. Maddie said? Maddie.